Line of symmetry. To understand the concept, let us look at the picture of a butterfly. When a butterfly folds its wings, the left wing and the right wing match exactly. The two wings overlap each other perfectly. We say that the wings of a butterfly are symmetrical. The imaginary line dividing the butterfly into two exact halves is known as the line of symmetry. Objects that show line symmetry appear more balanced and beautiful. Now let us place a mirror on the line of symmetry. We see if we place a mirror on the fold, that is the line of symmetry, the image of one wing of the butterfly falls exactly on the other wing. So we say that the two images we get through the line of symmetry are mirror images of each other. Many alphabets are symmetrical. For example, the alphabet A, M, and U have a vertical line of symmetry. The alphabets B, C, K, etc. have a horizontal line of symmetry.